and subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Guys, today we're gonna do some curry, cow tripe and bean with rice and peas, some pasta salad, some blending, which is guineas, peanut, oats, sappogen. So you know it's a strong vibes drinks. So you know we're going all in on the drinks today. Hope you guys like this video as much as the rest of the video, guys. So I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic in the boiling water, and this is my cow tripe. So I'm gonna scald it off for 15 minutes. So we're gonna add it in the water. We're gonna cover it and then turn on the stove, because we don't want it to boil over. So I'm cooking some fine grained peas today. So I'm adding in my ginger and my garlic in the peas. I'm checking on the nether pot. Guys, can you see that? My coconut. I am going to grate on my coconut to get the juice from it to add in the rice and peas. Guys, this is the peas that's going to be going in the tripe. So we're putting it on the fire now. So the entire stove is going to be busy for today. Next is our coconut. I'm going to be grating for the coconut milk. Guys, so we're adding in the coconut milk into the peas. Real Jamaican coconut milk. We're not using any powdered milk powder to cook any rice and peas on my channel. Real coconut we're using, guys. Real coconut. So we are going to season up the tripe now. So I am going to use some pimento seed. So I just crack the pimento seed. And the reason for cracking the pimento seed, you get more flavor out of the pimento seed. And we're going to add some onion. We're adding 1 chopped onion. We're adding 2 stalks of scallion. And we're adding some scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme. Some garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, and then our Maggi all-purpose seed. So we're adding in 1 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose season. I'm gonna mix it in. So we're putting the tripe to marinate, guys, before we start cooking it. Guys, look at the color of the peas. Peas cooked now. So I'm gonna add some scallion in. I'm seasoning up the pot. Piece of thyme and piece of bell pepper. So I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, some margarine butter, so I am allowing my scallion and my bell pepper to cook for at least 5 minutes before I add my rice in. So I'm adding my rice in now, guys. Guys, we are burning the garlic of 1 teaspoon of garlic, and I am going to burn the curry. It's very important that you burn your curry, because when you burn the curry, it's much more easier to dissolve out on the meat, meaning it's much more easier to cook out. So I'm adding the meat. Our pork tripe. I'm going to saute it for a little bit. So we saute our meat for a minute or two. Now we're adding in the water in the pot, and over in this pot is my peanut. So I'm boiling 1 cup of peanut. The peanut have been soaking from overnight. So when you boil the peanut for 20 minutes and blend it, it's much more smoother and much more easier to blend out. Let me cover it back. So I'm gonna pressure the meat for 15 minutes and then check back on the meat and see what's going on. Can you see how the rice and peas is pretty, guys? That's why I like to cook rice and peas with these small peas. So I'm gonna wrap the pot now with a piece of foil paper and let my rice steam. People, the rice at steam and the pressure cooker make pea nice. Guys, I'm gonna add 1 stalk of scallion, 1 teaspoon of salt, some vegetable oil, and this boiling water for the cooking of my pasta. We're giving it a stir because we don't want the noodle to, which is the pasta, to stick in the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because I don't want it to boil over either. Guys, I'm going to add the season and vegetable in my curry tripe. So I'm adding 1 bell pepper, 1 Irish potato, 1 carrot, and 1 onion, and this little pinch of Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're adding in the season. Let me do it this way. Adding in the carrot, the Irish potato, the thyme, some bell pepper, and some onion. So I'm checking on the tripe and bean, checking on the vegetables, ensure that they are cooked before we add the bean in. So the bean is the last thing that's gonna go into the tripe and bean. Guys, so you see the peanuts that we are going to blend now. Blending. So I am going to throw out the peanut now. So you see how the peanut rich is the same water that the peanut boil in. That's what we use and blend the peanut. I am going to add these 4 fingers of banana in the blender. I am going to add half pack of oatmeal. Can you see, guys? So half pack of the oatmeal. Yes, that's half pack of the oatmeal. So I'm gonna use some milk instead of water. So I'm pouring in the box milk, 1 cup of box milk. Yep, that good to go. 1 cup is good. So I'm going to throw it out now. Guys, so we're still adding in our blended drinks. So I'm adding in some Guinness. I'm adding in some Septuagint. I'm adding in 2 cork of vanilla. Real strong back drinks this, you know, guys. Real strong back. So I'm adding in some cinnamon powder, just a little bit, and some nutmeg as well. I'm going to add 2 serving spoons of sweetening milk. Good old Betty milk, you know, man. Guys, look at the tripe and bean. So you know, so me I got add the bean in now. Just make it simmer down for about 5 minutes, and then you can turn off the stove. Guys, for the making of the pasta salad, I'm gonna use 1 red bell pepper and some mixed vegetable, and I'm using some tomato, some chopped onion, I'm going to add 1, 2, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'm gonna rub it in and see if it needed more before I add any more mayonnaise in it. Guys, so this is the pasta salad, so I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for it to cool. Guys, this is my curry tripe and bean, my pasta salad, and my rice and peas, and my blended drinks. If you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel.